This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Michelle Chastain. Check out this beautiful all-brick home close to the airbase. This home has a lovely open concept and split floor plan. Kitchen features granite countertops, a pantry and all-new stainless steel appliances. Tray ceilings in both the living room and master bedroom. Master bath has his and hers walk-in closets, separate shower and soaking tub. New stained master carpet in all bedrooms, new air conditioner unit and a fully fenced backyard. Make this home yours today. For more information, review the details below.